The Advanced User Dashboard add-on allows the users to track all their activities. The add-on is accessible only for logged-in users. The add-on allows the users to have their results displayed in 5 different ways. In the Activity Per Day tab, the users can observe their changes of activity displayed in a chart. The Results tab displays the results in a table, where you can see the username, the quiz name, the start and end date, duration, score, and the status, whether the user passed or failed the quiz. You can filter the sections by clicking on their names. In the Results by Quiz tab, you can select the quiz and see only the results of the selected quiz displayed in a table. If you want to see your best score, click on the Best Score tab, select the quiz and the mode, whether you want to see your result displayed in percentage or in points. In the Progress tab, you can select the quiz and choose if you want to see your progress displayed in score or in points. First, you need to have the Pro version of the Quiz Maker plugin installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. Then go to the Plugins, click on Add New Plugin, click on Upload Plugin, and choose the zip file of the Advanced User Dashboard add-on. After activating the Advanced User Dashboard add-on, you need to go to the General Settings of the Quiz Maker, click on the shortcodes, scroll down, and here are the settings of the Advanced User Dashboard add-on. You can sort the table columns of the result page. Then you need to copy the shortcode of the add-on and paste it on any post or page. Thus, provide your users with the unique opportunity to track their results and progress using only one shortcode.